Hey everybody, so we're back with another tutorial, and if you all haven't seen my other tutorial about sending online invitations, it will be linked down below. So today we're going to review punchbowl.com, which is an online invitation and greeting card that you can send via text to your guests. So we're just going to see the different styles and just poke around to see what they have going on. So you can send gift cards to this app, video messages. It's a pretty cool app. And again, you can send this via text message to people. And I'm pretty sure if you send it through text, you can send it through email as well. So let's just see for the content on this page. We do all about wedding related stuff. So let's just see what pops up for wedding. And hit go. So as you see here, they have some options for you to send it via text message or email. And this is an ideal option for those that want to save some money, that want to save the trees, that want to, just do things digitally and save paper and stuff. Because with paper, it's the cost of printing, especially printing in color, envelopes, mailing, stamps and stuff like that. So that's what you have to factor in. So again, you could do save the dates on here, bridal showers. They have some options here as well too. So let's look at, in rehearsal dinners. So let's look at rehearsal dinners, and let's just click on this here. And as you see here, you can customize it. You can customize it. And you can either download this on your app store, but for now, I'm going to say no thank you. And you could just continue designing it through the actual website without having to download it. So you can, let's just, again, make up something. So we can do a save the date. So on this option here, you can do invitation with RSVP, and then right here, save the date without RSVP. So we're going to just do invitation. So let's just do Becky and Sam. Engagement dinner. Let's just do that. Let's just choose it for this upcoming Saturday. Let's say that it starts at 7 p.m. Host's name, Sarah. And then let's just fill in something bogus. Sarah Williams at gmail.com. And if there is a Sarah Williams at gmail.com, I do apologize. But obviously don't use that. This is just for the video. Let's just do 555 555 5555. And location, you can do in person, meaning like you're going to be going somewhere, or virtual. And then if you do virtual, you just have to include like the video chat link. So if you do like Zoom, Skype, maybe like Facebook, just so they know where it's at. So we're just going to do location, Rob's Bar. Again, I don't know if these places are real. This is just something for the video. Let's just do 555 Apple Street. Let's just do Miami, Florida. I don't know Miami's zip code, so we're just gonna do 7502. That. And then we're going to do provide details about your event. The message will appear next to the invitation. Let's have fun. You can write whatever details, or you can do something like parking is on the side of the building, because when people are unfamiliar with a new location, they always say, well, where can I park at? So let's just do that, see what it comes up to be. So there you go. You're invited. Becky and Sam's engagement dinner, Saturday, August 7th. And you obviously put the year, 7 o'clock p.m. Rob's Bar. So sealing the envelope. And right here, you just begin importing your guest list and start at, typing people's name in. But we're just going to skip that. So as you see here, it says your guest to invite list is empty. So you will obviously add your guest to the invite. So that's what it would look like. But we're not going to send this to myself because, that's not the address. That's not the actual email address. But you can send a test or send now. So that's, one way to definitely send stuff. So let's go back and hit wedding. And as you see, this is all the wedding categories that they have. So let's hit bachelorette. Let's see what kind of templates they have. So they have some pretty nice stuff that you can add your own pictures. So this is a pretty cool website. You probably just need to take like 30 minutes to an hour to make sure that you have the details correct and it's exactly how you want it. Make sure that the details are accurate. If you are having out-of-state guests, if you're going to be inviting out-of-state guests, I highly encourage that you send whatever you plan on inviting them to, maybe months ago, like 6 months ahead, so that way they have enough time to plan to come if they're coming. But yeah, this is again pretty cool app. You can go ahead and download that to your phone or just bypass downloading and just create it right here from the actual website. Again, this is punchbowl.com. This video is not sponsored. I'm just giving you guys another alternative to sending out paper invitations, just saving you guys some money on your budget. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment below. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And let me know what other tutorials that you would like me to do for you. And I will see you on the next video.